guess what we're making today? Yes, a super yummy donuts. And look who's here to join us, our tiny alien friend. Say hi.
A stranger sang a lullaby and carried her off 'neath the midnight sky. The lantern flickers, the cradle still. The meadow is empty, the night grows chill. No footsteps left, no voice, no song, only the wind to hum along. She's looking at rose liquid or a song of a little slicer. She uses it for her butter and toast. She has it in her stomach and then sang happily. A new unicorn place welcomed her. She was happy. In the morning sun so bright, we learn colors left and right. Red and yellow, blue and green, colors of the rainbow scene. Let's learn and play, oh what a day. Singing, dancing, hip hooray. Numbers, letters, all the way. We grow smarter every day.
Trace it one more time to make our picture strong and colorful.
Time! Pick your favorite colors.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll. E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van.
Color the alien. Make him bright.
Is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
amazing! Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next awesome video. Bye-bye!
Subscribe to my channel.